Hey YouTube, it's Raz Kid, and yo, I'm just sitting here, right? And I'm just thinking to myself, this horrible music that I'm hearing on this lame station, it's just getting on my nerves. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you how to turn off this sound. All right, and I don't know, it might be a dumb thing, but if this thing is bugging you, just like the quest link thing, I'm gonna show you. So first and foremost, I like the music on the games like this, right? But bro, I liked when PlayStation had themes where you can actually change the sound, like crash, like all right. See, it changes, right? It changes for these games, right? Still kind of annoying though. But anyway, go to the top right, go to the gear to settings, okay? Go to the sound, right? Then you're gonna go to audio output, okay? They're gonna scroll down to home screen music. Turn that off, bro. Turn it. I don't want it. Get it out of here, okay? Get it out of here. I don't want it. I really don't. I can't. Now let's see if the game music still comes on. Okay, it doesn't. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not. I don't think. I don't want to hear it then. I don't. But at least does the game music come on? Okay, yeah. I don't want to hear it then. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just turn it off, bro. Just turn it off. Only have this music. I don't know why they go backwards with this. There's no browser on here. Let's not get into it. But it used to just play the game music and then just have no sound. But anyway, you already know what it is. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace.